Hi, Alison O'Conner with Larimer County Extension, and we're here in Windsor taking a look at dog spots. So we're at Chimney Park, which a lot of dogs frequent, and I just wanted to point your attention to what is actually an older dog spot because you can see the straw color in the center. Now if we move over here, you'll notice that this is a fresher dog spot because we don't quite have that straw color and it just is starting to show signs of injury. Now, it is not uncommon to have dog spots if you are a dog owner. Couple things you can do is number one, try to train the dog to go elsewhere other than your lawn. The second thing is that if you follow Fido behind with some water, you can actually try to leach some of those salts and the enzyme that is in the urine that causes some of this injury. Almost always though that you'll start to see a little bit of fertilizer response around the outside perimeter because urine does have urea, which is a nitrogen fertilizer. But as spring starts to kick in, we get some warmer weather, the lawn starts to grow, a lot of these dog spots are going to recover on their own. Those that don't, you can just reseed those spots.